Chairman kam Managing Director ke MEECL Sanjay Goyal ula pentip bana kaliang ke Sorkar jela kala Aiti syaki artli ki agensi ban penti kena ya kejing shingan kejing tei baro kawai ka baden ya kawa Umiam. Habagran nigilat patai kubor hak shapoh trik risau arhajar arpulai Sanjay Goyal uletu ba kejing tei ka baladen ya kawa Umiam ka kentup iki bynta kawai kalong kejing tei ka bahaya ka kentup ya kejing kiang dam ba kawai kalong ka bynta ka shapoh ko Chairman kam Managing Director Litu by Bynta ban pulih bniah bat maramot igi bynta ke jingkiang la Aiti ha ka Aiti Govt. Kat ba ya ke bynta ban pulih bniah bat maramot igi bynta ba shapoh ko on Aiti ha ka Central Soil and Materials Research Station bat ka Central Water Power Research Station. Hagini kejuk kesngi Chairman kam Managing Director ke MEECL ule thuru halor ke jingi kenduk ka tenat boarding jong ke Sorkar jela ya Menteri kam boarding ke Sorkar Pedeng ban pentip halor ke jingla jong ke jela Meghalaya ban nok senyang na ke benta ka renewable energy lengba ka jing penmi ke boarding na ke bor jong ke sngi hakeleng ke jela.
One of the dams, which is the Umiam Dam, which is having the pondage. The rest all of the dams are the run of the river dams, wherein not much pondage of water is there. So the concern for us is the safety and security of this dam. As we have been telling and putting up in various forums, is that we have undertaking the studies of the safety of the dam every now and then. Aiti Guwahati is one of our main agencies who has been working on this aspect. They have been doing the sort of like safety audit for us in the past years. Recently also they have conducted some exercise and have conducted certain tests. Some more tests are required to be done by them as per their information. That also is in the process, and they are undertaking those activities. For this Umiam, there are two structures. One is the superstructure or the structure above the dam, which is the bridge part, wherein certain works are still going on. You must have observed it, that we are in the process of changing the ball bearings and all, which have been found that they require the replacement and the repair. The second part is the substructure part about the safety of the dam. Various tests have been done by the technical agencies. So as of now, there is no adverse report which has come to us, but still under this dam rehabilitation program also we are engaging one more agency to study in detail the substructure of the dam, about the safety, about the leakages, or about any other aspect, which is a comprehensive study which is in the process of being done by the technical and expert agencies. These are the agencies which have been empaneled by the Government of India to undertake these kinds of expert studies, and in the days to come we will be getting these reports. As of now, whatever reports we have received have indicated that the dam is meeting the requirement of the safety standards. So, the role of the solar energy, given the fact that we do have certain locations in the state wherein the solar energy can come. I mean, the solar plant can come up. The mega solar plants. The MECL corporation has already offered certain patches of the land which belong to the corporation, and it was highlighted that unfortunately there are no takers in terms of the tenders which we have called, and not much enthusiasm was shown from the investors. It's a corporation land, and we would like to get into some kind of JV or some kind of partnership with the central units like NTPC and all. So this was received well by the Union Minister, and he has put the central PSUs on the job to explore this possibility. Similarly was the case with Umiam. We have been doing the studies of utilizing the Umiam water reservoir for the solar plants and solar generation, and this was also received very well, and the Honorable Minister from the Ministry of Power has directed the NEEPCO, who is undertaking the study, to take it up on a fast track mode. One of the other discussions which came up was the pump storage systems to be set up in the state, and these basically they work on the storage model. Just for your information, it's like that we pump the water between two reservoirs up and down, and then use this storage on the reservoir at the higher level to generate the electricity in the peak time. It's just like your solar batteries, like you charge the batteries during the daytime using the cheap power of the solar, and utilize the power during the peak time, which is a very high demand power, and the requirement is very high. So just to smoothen that curve, which is very high peak during the peak hours, say maybe around 6 or 7 o'clock in the evening till midnight, we use this power, and we are in a position to sell that power at an affordable rate, which is more than the rates which we normally have during the daytime. So here also we have done the studies, and we have identified 4 locations with a potential of around 3100 megawatt, and we have given this idea to the union government that we can take up this under the joint venture mode with any of the central PSUs, and the equity part of the state government funds which we are supposed to invest can come as a central financial assistance from the government side in the ratio which are there for the other infrastructure projects, which is like 90:10. So if these things come up, and Honorable Minister was very receptive to these ideas, and if these things come up, then we are going to augment our renewable energy portfolio in a big way in the days to come.